Hey guys, Mr. G, and we're taking a look at our day 6, which is turning in a screencast that you'll make on Flipgrid. So the things that you want to make sure that you're introducing yourself by first and last name, and then down here, when you're done, the display name must be your first and last name. Super important. Also remember that in Essential Tools, you'll have the Flipgrid Screencast. Watch that 1-minute video. It shows you how to do a screencast in Flipgrid instead of a video, which is super, super easy. What I recommend is have your drawings in order, ready to go. So I set up my tabs like this. So here's one. I'm just taking a couple random ones, by the way. There's a lion one, and then I'd need one for my last one. So let's say I was doing one. I'd hit record and say, hey, this is Mr. Goliath, doing my first and last name. Here are my smiley faces. This is an example of my ice cream cone. Notice each one I need to leave at least 4 seconds. This is my lion with the background and sun and trees. Now remember the last one I'm going to leave a little longer, like 8 seconds. I don't have a final drawing. This will be yours. Hopefully you really make this one good because I am going to focus on this one a little bit extra in the grading. And just make sure you followed all the directions for that. Once you're done, again, you'll be able to save it using your display name of first and last name, and that's it. That's how you turn these in. I will grade these inside of Flipgrid. It is not going to be, I will not go into Google Classroom looking at any files, so if you did turn any files in, you need to unsubmit them so you can open those up, which is easy to do as well. I really look forward to seeing these, so good luck.